Surprisingly, on May 9th, Charlie, she gave birth to 6 puppies. Yeah, it's Charlie. Charlie. Hey, that's not it. Charlie. Okay, I think our camera is to face my she doesn't want to stand in front of the camera anymore. Charlie? 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 Say hi. Charlie. Hi. 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 Okay. And she's the mother of 6 puppies.